Hey, what's up? It's your design systems nerd, Mark Reynolds here, and today I'm coming to you from Knapsack. So, we're doing a series called Cool Stuff You Can Do with Knapsack, and one of the problems that you might have in your design system is being able to see your components at all the different device widths and heights. Now, normally you can see that, say, in Figma, so you might design it to specific sizes and you have a bit of a showcase in Figma. You might then develop some components in the code base and, on your sort of front end application, and you'll be able to see it at certain device widths using, say, the inspect tool in your browser. Now, what you might actually find is that consumers of your design system would hugely benefit from being able to see the coded component at different widths and heights itself, and directly from and within your design system. And this gives them the ability to understand and really have the knowledge of what that component looks like at whatever width that they can define and whatever height that they can define. So they get a really good feel and understanding for its application. And Knapsack has that ability and that feature available too. So we'll dive in and take a look at how we can do this with Knapsack. So it's as easy as scrolling down and clicking the ruler at the bottom left, moving the width right or left, or the height up and down, and then clicking the tick, and that's it.